Hey staff, so I wanted to show you how to add and remove students manually in a class notebook. So right now I have a class notebook open and I'm going to kind of just briefly go over how to add and remove kids. So if I want to add or remove students, I go up here to the class notebook tab on the ribbon. And then right under here kind of gives you all the managing controls, and you're going to click add and remove students right here. And what it'll do is it'll launch a web browser. It'll take a second to load, and then it'll ask you what notebook you want to add and remove a student from. And you can do multiple students at the same time. And what it'll do is it'll only load the notebooks that are class notebooks. It won't load any of the ones that are not, such as your master. So I'm going to click on the class that I want to manage and change. And then to remove a student, you can just click remove here on that student's name, and that'll remove their profile off of their workspace, off of the notebook. If I want to add a student, all I have to do is start typing in their last name. And then it should prompt me with that student. And when you click on that student, you'll go down here and you'll hit next and update. I'm not actually going to add myself. And remember, you're not going to want to remove any student until they've backed up whatever work they want to have, because that's going to be taking away their access to the notebook. So then you hit next. It'll have a quick summary of what you're changing and what you're updating. And then you'll hit update, and then you're all set.